is Claire and hi everyone. So welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make Tibetan moktu. Tibetan moktu is very delicious and yummy and I hope you guys will try this recipe also. And let's get started. And one thing, if you are vegetarian, you can definitely you can skip the chicken. So you can use lots of vegetable in same style you can make. And let's get started how to make. I hope you guys will try this recipe also. Now first I'm going to make momo dough. For momo dough we need flour. It's very simple. Next we need water. Add slowly water. Mix well and little need to dough hot because if not dough will hot we need to put lots of flour making time. Wrap and leave it for 20 minutes. Now let's make the momo filling. For momo filling meat I'm using pork. You can use beef, chicken, anything you can use. Next I'm going to add a garlic, onion leaves, add some sake. This is Japanese cooking wine. Soy sauce, black pepper, just a little bit, a pinch of sugar, pinch of salt, and mix well. Just a little bit, add cooking oil, spoon water, and mix well. Now I'm going to use my hand. Taste the salt. It's just a little bit, add more salt. Now cover and leave it for 30 minutes. Let's make the chicken stock. For chicken stock I'm going to use some chicken bones, some ginger, garlic, onion, because we are using only soup, so we don't need to build. Later we will stand this all. So now I'm going to add the water. very simple, and I'm going to add just black pepper, add a little bit salt, cover and cook for 5 minutes for normal heat. Now after 20 minutes, let's make the momo chapati. We need some flour, cut into small pieces. Press, turn, press and 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 turn, like this. Very thin. My momo chapati also ready. Now let's make the momo dumpling. Put in pinch, 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 one more pinch, pinch, there you go, my cheesy momo is ready. You can make any kind of shape. You don't need to do like a same. Any shape is okay. Just simple, do like this. One side only. There you go. Now here I'm going to add chicken stock. Add more water. stir slowly, just gently stir. Now I'm going to add soy sauce. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Just a little bit black pepper. And add the salt. From medium high heat 5 minutes. It will take 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I'm going to put some vegetable. I'm going to remove the all meat from bone. I'm going to add shiitake mushroom, baby corn and carrot, now need to cook for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add broccoli, just a little bit. And spinach, I'm going to add. And chicken. Now cook for a few minutes. It's done. Now ready to serve. Okay guys, so if you like this recipe, please do subscribe, like and comment it down below. Let me know how it is. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. So thank you for watching. Just kidding. Thank you for watching and my video, and we'll see you in next video. Take care everyone, and Tujina Tangmala. Bye bye.